Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious
turkey breast in Oaxaca mole.
I know that you guys are really going to love it and enjoy it. The holidays are almost here, and you know something? This turkey in Oaxaca mole comes out delicious. I know that you and your family are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have here the Oaxaqueño adobo that you could find already pre-made, mixed in everything. You could find it in the Hispanic supermarkets. I have 2 tomatoes, half an onion, sesame seeds, table salt. I have here my turkey breast pre-cooked, smoked, and of course my chicken broth. We're gonna need a little bit of vegetable oil, but this is everything we need for this delicious
turkey breast in Oaxaca mole.
So let's get started and let's make this delicious dish at home.
I want to start with my tomatoes. I'm going to remove the onion and let's go to the sink. Let's rinse them really good through running water. Once this is completely done, then we're going to go ahead and start cutting them in pieces. I'm going to go ahead and just cut them in about 4 pieces each one so that my blender doesn't work too hard. I'm going to go ahead, slice them through the middle, and then one more slice, and then I am ready to continue with my onion. The onion, I'm going to cut it just like this. It doesn't have to be big or small, just like that. And I'm going to add it to my blender. We're going to go ahead, add the onion, all the tomato, and to this, we're going to start adding the table salt, the chicken broth, and at the end, we're adding the mole, the Oaxaqueño mole. Now to this, I'm just going to go ahead, cover it, and let's go ahead and blend it completely. You want to make sure that everything is nice and blended. Here in my pan, I'm going to go ahead and add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once it's nice and hot, I'm going to add my Oaxaca mole. We're going to be cooking it until about 15 minutes until everything is really nice and incorporated. This part is very important. It's going to start bubbling from the edges, but you know something? It's going to get nice and thick just like that. And just continue mixing so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Once it starts bubbling all over in the center, everywhere just like this, then that's the time where we're going to go ahead and add our turkey breast right in the center. When it's boiling just like that, it's ready. Let's add the turkey breast in the center and let's go ahead and cover it with all those delicious juices, the mole, right on the top until we cover it completely, just like this. I'm going to go ahead and just cover it and let it simmer so that turkey breast absorbs all that delicious mole and all those delicious flavors. Every 10-15 minutes, I'm going to come in and just go ahead and add some more of the mole right on the top, making sure that I cover it completely so that the turkey breast comes out really soft tender, but yet with a lot of flavor. As you could see a little bit of oil on the sides. That little black spots, those are the oils that the turkey breasts are releasing. So that means that this turkey breast is done, because all those extra oils are coming out, are getting mixed with the mole. And now I'm just gonna go ahead, continue adding on the top. And you know something? This is completely done. Look at this. Look how delicious. My home really smells amazing. Remember, make this turkey breast in mole oaxaqueño. And I know that you guys are going to love it and enjoy it. Let it rest for just a little bit before you slice it. Remember, always let it rest so that the juices stay inside the turkey breast. Look how soft, how tender, but yet is not releasing all those delicious juices. This is the part I like to show you so that you don't slice it when it's very, very hot. You need to just let it rest for about 20 minutes. It's really juicy, really tender, and let me show you how it really pulls apart. The turkey breast is so soft, so tender. Then look at this. Really soft and tender. Well, here I am completely done, and now I am ready to prepare my plate because I can't wait to taste it. So I'll see you in a bit. I'm organizing my plate so that you could see. I added some mole on the bottom and added some white rice. I'm sprinkling right on the top the sesame seeds. This looks amazing, and I'm sure that it tastes delicious. So you know something? I'll see you in a little bit. I am ready for the presentation of my turkey breast in Oaxaca mole. See you in a bit.
I am completely done with this delicious turkey breast in Oaxaca
Mole.
My home smells delicious, and I can't wait to taste it. You know that this is the part I really love and enjoy. I added some white rice, and I am ready to dig in. And of course, I want to taste everything in here. Excuse me. The turkey breast is so soft, so tender. It really absorbed all the delicious flavor of the Oaxaqueños mole. Wow. Excuse me. This just came out amazing. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share my video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe, yes, you are going to be notified. I share with you a delicious recipe every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And on Saturday, you could see me live. Thank you so much for playing this video and the rest of the videos. I'm going to stay enjoying this delicious turkey breast, and I'll see you on my next delicious recipe. But before I say goodbye, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. See you soon. Bye-bye.